Now, the next two products that we're reviewing, well, it's one product, we've got two of them. We've got the blue and we've got the dark green. This is the chalkboard paint, again from Clever Paints. These are, you know, it's chalkboard paint. It goes on great. You can apply it on its own. Just make sure, again, just like with any product that you're applying to any wall, make sure the surface is clean, dry, free of dirt, free of grease, anything that contaminate the product when you're putting it on. And again, just get a small roller, a 4-inch or a 6-inch roller, a good half decent cutting in brush for cutting around the room. Again, make sure you tape off anything that you're not wanting to get the product onto, just makes things more simpler. Yeah, again, it just applies like a normal paint. Do it in sections, just like with the MagnetPaint, and it can go. Again, we use this in a children's bedroom setting that we applied over the MagnetPaint to give so you have a magnetic wall that you can now draw on and just rub it out like a normal chalkboard. It comes in a range of colours. Obviously we've got the blue and the dark green. It comes in black, it comes in pink, lime green, red, and I think there may be a couple of other colours, I can't remember them all, but it definitely comes in a good range of colours that are most suitable for most areas of application. Again, as I say, we use this in a children's bedroom. I could easily say you could use this in an office environment, in a school environment, if you want to create a wall where the kids and maybe even the teachers can draw on or write notes or do anything. You could use it in a restaurant, business, office environment, pretty much anywhere really. Great product. It goes on great. 2 coats of this and you're good to go. Again, leave the drying times. We left it a full day in between coats. You know, just put on your full first coat, whatever colour you're doing, and leave it to dry. I think you probably could get away with putting a coat on in the morning and then another one in the afternoon if the temperature's at a good level. If it's too cold, I would probably leave it for the full 24 into the next day and give it a second coat. You can give it a third, no harm in doing that. We gave the blue, which as you can see from the videos and the photos that we put up, there's a piece at the bottom for water so that the children can draw fish and what have you on it, and again blue at the top for a sky so that you can draw clouds and do whatever you want on it. And as I say, underneath is the MagnetPaint, so now you've got a chalkboard which is also magnetic, so it serves a dual purpose. I would have no hesitation in recommending this product to any of my customers. It's an absolutely fantastic product. It doesn't really have any bad points, it just doesn't. It goes on great, it covers well, it's got a nice uniform finish, you know, with 2 coats. You don't really need to apply anything underneath it. All you need to do is make sure that the wall is good solid surface with any holes filled and sealed, and you'll be good to go. I don't think you can apply anything over the top of this. I don't think you would want to, because it would defeat the purpose of the product. So it's basically a chalkboard and it's really good. So 10 out of 10 for the chalkboard paint from Clever Paints.